Then this time we're gonna go with examining
and I'm a
my
second year
breast
student
or
in
breast
Southwestern
while
University.
lying.
So I'm going to perform the breast self-examination. First is to stand in front of the mirror and place his arms on the side. Check for any changes in the following. Shape. Compare one breast to the other. One breast may normally be larger than the other, but sudden increase in size should not occur. Skin. Check for rash, redness, puckering, dimpling, or orange peel texture appearance. Nipples. Check for physical changes such as a sudden inversion, scaling, redness, itching, swelling, or discharge. Vein patterns. Look for a noticeable increase in size or number of veins compared to the other. And next is to place his hands on the hips and press his hands firmly. Bow slightly forward as shoulders up,
two fingers, which is
and
the
elbows
index,
pointing
and
forward.
your
Note for
middle
changes
finger
in
at
the
the
contour
underneath
of
of the
both breasts.
testicles, and your
And next
arm
step is
at
to
the top.
raise
So
his
you're gonna
arms
roll it,
behind the head,
roll it
clasp
gently,
hands,
and check for any
and
lumps,
press
bumps, or
his
any
hands
pain.
forward.
You're gonna roll,
Bow slightly
and then
forward.
repeat on to the other
Note for
side.
any change in the contour of both breasts.
And then next,
And the
and
next
lastly,
is
we're gonna
to
go palpate
raise
the
the left
spermatic
arm
cord.
over the head
So just like
and
this.
using the right hand, 3 flat pads of the 3 middle fingers,
And that's it.
palpate the
That's how you
left
check
underarm.
your testicles.
For lumps, in circular motion. Then the next is to begin palpate on the left breast by moving the finger pads of the right hand, starting at the outer edge of the breast, while in small circles while applying pressure until reaching the nipple. Squeeze gently the nipple and palpate the entire breast area.
Sige, guys, no worries.
Palpate the entire breast area. Then the next is to repeat on the other breast. So the next step is in lying position. So lie flat with a folded pillow or towel underneath the left shoulder to check the left breast using the right hand. Then, begins palpating the left breast by moving finger pads of the right hand in small circles, starting at the outer edge of the breast in small circles while applying pressure until reaching the nipple. Squeeze the nipple gently and palpates the entire breast area. And squeeze, then palpates the entire breast. Then repeat on the other side.